France is a major livestock country. Women and men work the land throughout. Here on the farm with Julie and Jean-Marc, producing milk is our profession. We cultivate about 200 hectares of pasture with 120 milking cows. All of this production is built on a terroir, a countryside environment sculpted through the ages. My father was a farmer, my grandfather too. And here in the Redon area, we're in a region where most of the farmers are livestock farmers. Every morning from dawn, the day follows the same rhythm of events. We begin with the milking. The cows are brought to the milking shed. Our cows are Prim Holstein, one of 3 daily races, along with the Montbéliard and the Normande. We inherited them. My parents had the same races, the same color. And traditionally, these are the ones that have adapted little by little to our environment. We bring them to the milking shed, and each one produces about 30 liters of milk per day.